Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be building this beautiful carbon road bike I got from Frank Bikes. This is the Savona, and this is my very first road bike, and I'm very excited to do the build and take it out for a spin. Right now, as it stands, it looks all wrapped up on the front side. This is 60% assembled, 50% assembled, I don't know, 50 or 60% assembled, and I am going to be finishing up the job. The bike was shipped with some tools. Here's the multi-tool, and I believe this is for the pedals, but the pedals were not shipped. So I'm going to be going out and getting a new set of pedals later today and finishing up the job. But for now, we have most of the parts. So I'm going to be doing a quick build. Here we go. So I'm back after messing up my first attempt at building. I kind of screwed up the chains. The chains got stuck in between the wheels and the cassette, like right behind here, and it was pretty tough to get it out. So I have to like disassemble, take this out again, take everything out, and also I had to break the chain and get this thing back to working state. For that I use this. I don't know. I don't think I got that on camera, but as you can see, I'm pretty tired. That whole process took a good amount of time. So I'm just gonna finish up by taking this little protection off. Anyway, I was expecting that to be too much of a job. It wasn't really. I kind of screwed up. I only have one more thing left, which is the seat post. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, the seat post and the saddle need to be put on. And thank you so much for watching this video. As you've seen, there were some struggles during the build towards the end of the build video. I managed to jam the chains between the wheels and the cassette. Luckily, I was able to free the chain from the jam using a chain breaker. That was a lot of work and a lot of bending over. And that is what I do for the entertainment of my viewers. Thank you so much for the support you've been giving me. Some of my videos are up to like 50-60 views, and that's a huge deal. I didn't even know 50 people would be interested in my view. But I would like to ask one favor from my viewers. Please hit that subscribe button. It would help me out a lot, and get to that 1,000 subscriber levels, so that I can monetize some of these videos that I put up, and so that the quality of videos and editing and stuff like that can get better and better. So please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I will end this video with a little preview of my next video that's gonna be up once I'm done editing. As always, stay safe, keep cycling, and be cool. Peace out. I'm out.